Okay, so today we're going to be showing you how to add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet in a few easy steps. All right, so if you already have your MetaMask extension installed onto your browser, what you will do is you'll go ahead and click on Set Extension and press the drop down box. Once you click the drop down box, it'll give you the list of networks. You'll go to Custom RPC and you'll input this data here. Now, I have this listed in the instructions below, so you can just copy and paste from there. But you can name it BSC chain or BNB chain, however you want to name it. From there, you'll go ahead and put in the following URLs. 56. The symbol is BNB. And you're going to want to put the block explorer in because it makes life easier later on. And you'll click save. Once you click save, you'll see that the network has been added, and it'll pop up on your list as whatever name that you have it named. I already had it saved as BSC chain and I didn't want to change it, but that would be the whole process. So if you have any questions, you can leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.